So we try to go fishing today, but there's the wind is way too windy, but and then plus everything is closed at Stillhouse because they say that it's flooded. But the lake level is 100%. We're at 100% here at Stillhouse with lake level. It looks like it is a little, it is a little bit, but I think what it really boils down to is that we've had a little bit of flooding, and then the parks are look like garbage, and nobody wants to clean that crap up. You know, I know the Corps of Engineers are, you know, on a budget and stuff, but man, these parks look like crap. Surrounding areas and everything look like crap. So, but we're gonna try to hit up another spot to go fishing today. It's a nice day, just a little windy, but all right, we'll see y'all in a little bit. Maybe we'll catch some fish at the next spot. Ant piles, yeah. All right, so we're home now and relaxing. No fish today. We ended up going to the city park, and I almost want to say that there is no fish in that pond anymore, because as kids we used to catch them easy all day, every day. Now no bites, no nothing. But all right, well, that was our day, and the hike we had was fun and exciting and some good exercise, and we'll see you tomorrow.